Hello everyone, I'm Luke Borozan, and today I'm going to run you through how I created EasyTrack, my very own soccer player tracking model. When I played soccer in Detroit, we had several camera systems, one of them being VO. The purpose of VO was to record games and produce stats, much like my project. However, the cameras were thousands of dollars, and the subscription was another $60 per month. I envisioned my project being used by parents and players alike, who may not have access to the best clubs or may not have enough money to buy the expensive equipment and cameras. All you would need for my product is a computer to open up my website, put in your video, and get stats for your son or daughter. The first step in creating my model was to gather a data set of images. I used roboflow.com, which is a machine learning software that allows you to annotate images and export them to future machine learning projects. As you can see, this is my account, and I simply click on my project. I uploaded images by taking screenshots and then annotating them, which is as simple as using the built-in boxes and moving it around the players. There are several different classes, as you can see here: goal, person, and sports ball, which are all just instances of whatever was in those images. Next, I created a version, and I was able to export my data set in a zip file, which contained a YAML file. What a YAML file is it sets values for each class. So it would be 0 for player, 1 for sports ball, 2 for goal, for example. Then, along with the annotations that are included when you export the data set, you can train on a computer that will actually create the physical model. Now comes to training the model. Here I'm on clearml.com, and this is a way for machine learning models to be trained. I was thankful enough to have a family friend who was able to loan me his computer, which I used TeamViewer on, a way to access a computer from another computer, and I was able to run these trainings. Now this may look like a lot of words, but all it really is training it in epochs, which are certain durations of time, and then calculating where the bounding boxes are supposed to go around each player. Now came the tracking part of the project. From the trained model, we were able to obtain best.pt, which contains all of our annotations and the data. Next, we were able to create a model using the YOLO Ultralytics V8 model, which we imported here, and we were able to create our own model. Here we have some commented code, but also it has detections in an array. This gives us the position of all of the players at any time during the video. When we run the video, you can see an array is being displayed. As you can see, we have our output, which tracks all of the players, as well as plots a somewhat predicted path. You can also see some instances of the sports ball being annotated. Currently, the model has the capabilities to track the positions of every player on the field. In the future, I'd like to have a Google Sheet where I would have the amount of goals, the time in which the goals were scored, and other passes. Thank you for watching my video.